Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I would like to show about my lab six that I have done. So this is source code part A3 that I have done. So I will copy paste first. Okay, so this is our my coding. So yeah, I put the variable data types for integer number. For the char ID I put 10. So for the char data types I put 20. So for the log float is our total of score. So for in main void, so I will put struct for the student for 100 data types. I put data J and Z. So I put the output for printf is how many sets of data which to enter, so it will appear. For scanf is for data. So yeah, for J and plus I will put ID output, enter name, enter score. So at the end of result, it will get all score for the student and ID name. So I will show my result first. So let's say this is what I have done, and this one I put 2. So ID B02555255. Name is at void. The score will be 65.1. So other one is B0, B02 128 and swap cobble will be 40.8. So this is what I get for this. Sorry. So let's say I want to put a 4 one back. So I want 4 first ID. I put B011 to Hobbyden and 90.6. So B05 12512 and bin Jones 30.9 and B 122450 Amadeus Abraham 98.5 and B000173 this is what I get for this result. So other one is I want to show about for part B. This is about the food. So I will copy paste first. So this is for the food that I got. Uh, it's a struck and this is float. I declare for data types for float, transporting, housing and MIC. So I declare again main for the data types. This is for 100. So I put float, food, transportation, housing and mic. So for output I will each for months. So this is I put for week, enter expenses for food, transportation, housing and miscellaneous. And lastly I put my how expenses and for food transportation, and it will include week there will be divide and how much for food transportation expenses, housing and miscellaneous. And I declare again is float expenses for food transportation, housing and expenses. So it will calculate all and how much that we can get. So let's say so 70, 50 and 75 and let's say 108 and 80. Week 2 is 65 and 80 and 40 point 80, 75, 26 point 50. So 54.20, 3.40, 74.70, and the last one is 61.50, 45, 75 and 38 and 60. So what I get, so if I compare same like the total spaces of all is 946%. So this is what I get for week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4.